Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. And as you all know, Karwa Chauth is around the corner. So today I'm here to share with you guys a Karwa Chauth makeup tutorial right here. And today I haven't used any foundation, concealer, BB cream or CC cream to create this look. So yeah, if you wanna know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you're new here, then hi, I'm Duti. I create beauty and lifestyle related content here on my channel. And if that's what you like watching, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And now, without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. So first, using a dark brown eyeshadow, I'm doing my brows first. I'm creating a line, as you can see, and combing the hair in downwards motion, as you can see here, and creating a line here also. And then with the help of the spoolie, I'm blending everything out so there is no harsh edges. And then I'm just filling in the gaps with a very light hand. And I did the other eye off camera, and here's the result. So for the other eye, I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer first to prime my eyelids and blending it out with a beauty sponge. And then for the eyeshadow today, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Red Alert eyeshadow palette and using this dark pink kind of a shade. I am just placing the eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyes using a small dome shaped brush. As you can see here, I'm just tapping the eyeshadow, and then taking this light pink color, I'm just blending the edges of the dark pink shade. I'm also taking it on my crease and just blending it out so it looks nice and diffused. Then taking a golden shade from the same palette, I'm just placing it all over my lid using this flat kind of a brush. Moving on to the face, I'm taking this Maybelline Master Prime Primer and I'm taking a generous amount of it on my hands and warming it up and applying it all over my face. As you can see here, it will not only mattifying my face, it will also create a tacky base for the next step. Next step is the main step of this makeup, and I'm taking the Blue Heaven loose powder here and using a sponge that comes with the powder itself. I'm just tapping the product all over my face. I'm taking the powder and tapping it all over my face. As you can see, it's not only mattifying my face, it's also giving me some coverage, and I'm not using any foundation and concealer today, so it will be my only base today. As you can see the difference on both sides. And now I'm doing the same on the other side of my face as well. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild contour palette and I'm taking the concealer shade, the highlighting shade of the palette, and I'm applying it to the usual places where I would place my concealer, and I'm just tapping the products on my under eye area, on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, on my chin and on my forehead area. Next, I'm taking my Color Essence bronzer and I'm not going to contour my face today. I'm just bronzing my face very slightly, and I'm placing the bronzer powder where I usually place my contour powder, and you can see how it's lightly contouring my face, giving it a nice and bronzy effect. Now to blush up them cheeks, I'm using this Color Bar blush. I will put the name of the shade on the description box below. I will also provide the link, so don't forget to check out the description box. Next, to complete my eye makeup, I'm taking the Color Bar Intense Kajal and I'm applying a thin line on my lower waterline and my upper lash line. And then taking a small brush, I'm just smudging my upper lash line to give it a smoky effect, and I'm also smudging it out, creating a very small faux wing. And next, I'm also smudging out my lower lash line to match with my upper lid. And then I'm taking the same pink eyeshadows which I used on my eyelids and mixing those two. I'm just applying it on my lower lash line to balance out with my upper lid. Then I'm taking my favorite mascara at this moment, that is a Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I'm applying it on my eyelashes. As you can see, I'm keeping my chin up so that it doesn't get any mascara on my eyelids, and I'm applying a generous coat of it on my eyelashes as I'm not going to use any falsies for today's look. and I am also doing the same process on my lower lashes. For highlighter, today I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and I am applying it on my usual points, that is on the highest point of my cheeks, on the tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, on the cupid's bow, and on my chin. Next, for the lips, today I am using the Lakme Absolute lipstick. I don't know the shade name. I will obviously put it on the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, here's the final look for you guys.
So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also share this video with your friends and family, and last but not the least, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right next to it. And you can also follow me on my social media handles. I will put the links in the description box below. And yeah, I will see you super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye.